Welcome back. In this video, we're going to walk through creating a brand new web application using the app builder. I'm currently in the Inhouz Cloud console. I'm going to click on the app builder tab to take us to the app builder tab. All right. Here you can see all your web applications as we've covered in the previous video. To create a brand new application, all you need to do is click on the create app button at the top right corner of the page. Here you can put in the app name. I'm going to call this demo. It could be a web application or web components. We've gone over the differences. Web applications are your traditional web applications, whereas web components are reusable mini applications that you can use and reuse within your primary application. Then you have the subdomain. I'm going to call the subdomain demo. I'm going to give it a quick description. I'm going to say this is a demo app. All right, so you can clone an existing application. If you had maybe a template that you were trying to base this application off, you could type in the name of said application and select it. And then this application will be cloned using all the elements and functions and logic of the application that you want to clone. You can restrict editor access. You can grant read and write permissions based on existing system permissions, or in this case, as you can see here, some custom permissions that you create yourself. We're not going to do that in this demo, but I'm going to go ahead and create this application. All right, so here we have our application. Let's jump in. All right, beautiful. As you can see, we're in the app builder version 0. I can just jump into the elements tab and drag in a heading. There it is. It's on the page. I can click on this, quickly change this to say, this is super awesome. All right. So what can we do here? Let's see. Let's change the width, call it 50%. Let's go ahead and center. All right, margin left, margin right. All right, and I'm going to save, and I'm going to deploy this application to the development environment by simply launching it. All right, perfect. Now I'm going to open the live application, and voila, this is super awesome, and we have an amazing application that we've simply built and deployed in seconds. All right. See you in the next video.